Hey, make sure y'all don't tell nobody. I tried this before anybody got home and it was so delicious I had to come back for seconds. And this right here does need to be refrigerated. Best in a covered dish. And hidden in the very far back of the fridge so nobody else can find it. Because you'll want all of it for yourself. For a fluffy dessert, we're making something called Fluff. I've heard a lot about it, so we're going to try it out. You're going to use one bag of Mini Marshmallows, some coconut flakes, a can of crushed pineapples, one box of vanilla instant pudding mix, and one tub of Cool Whip. To start off this Fluff, that's a funny name to give it. We're going to be adding in 1 cup of crushed pineapples, which is equivalent to 8 ounces. And this is one of those desserts you do not have to be right on the measurements. 1 cup of coconut flakes. As well as 1 tub, 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. And as I'm scooping this Cool Whip in, I haven't tried this dessert yet, but if you're seeing it, it's because it turned out good or delicious. I only like sharing the ones that turns out very good. I always try to test everything, make sure directions are good. And now we're gonna pour in a 3.4 ounce box of instant vanilla pudding mix. And as I'm opening this, we do appreciate everybody that's viewing our videos very much. And one way you can show your support to whatever YouTubers you watch, your favorite ones, is by hitting that like button and leaving comments to just give them interactions. Likes and comments both help big time, a lot more than people think. Even hitting that share button. And before I go any further, I'm going to give this a really good stir. Mix everything up. Get all that powder mixed in. By everything I've seen, they say this is a very good dessert for parties. Just something real quick to throw together for a party, for holidays, even baby showers, which I don't know about throwing on a baby shower or anything, so I couldn't tell you if it's a good dessert for that. You can use different flavor pudding mixes. Different flavors will give it different colors also. This one looks like it's going to be like a pastel color. And then the marshmallows right there is also pastel colors. Make for a pretty dessert if you're into making it look good. That's stirred up pretty good. So now we can add this big old bag of marshmallows. I'm gonna keep a few out to the side just for decoration and for the picture. One marshmallow decided to jump out. Let's save it. With all these ingredients, how can you go bad? I mean, it has to be delicious without even tasting it. So let's give it a try.